Oh, I was just trying to get her sucking her thumb. She was self-soothing. It was so cute. Hi, Lily. Hello, my lovely girl. Hello. She just finished eating. She looks like she's not full. Hello, my girl. Hello, honey. Oh, big yawn, big yawn, big yawn. Nice. Pooping? My girl's pooping. Oh. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. She is sitting on our table, making her baby sounds. Say hi, Lily. Hi. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi. Oh, bye. Bye. Gotta go. See you later, Gator.